everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to see how to make this braided card. Now I've used 100% cotton yarn for this video, and I'll insist you guys to make sure that you're using natural fibers for this. Now you can see it has a beautiful spiral texture to it. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, and without wasting any further time, let's get right into the video. Now to begin with, we're just going to make a simple slip knot. After making a slip knot, I'm going to take my cord. Now I'm showing it to you on this different cord because I've already braided that one. After that, we are going to simply make this beginning knot on the cord. And now the rest of the method is very simple. You just have to make single crochets. So I'll just show you how to do it on a cord. You're going to take your hook, you're going to put it under your cord, and you're going to pull that string. Now you've got 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through both the loops. You see, we've made our first stitch. Now you're going to do the same thing. Put your hook under the cord, yarn over, pull through. You'll be left with 2 loops in a hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Okay, you're going to do this a few more times. I'm just going to show you how do we attain that spiral look. I'm just going to make a few more stitches. Yeah. Now if you're getting confused in any of the steps, you can just slow down the video and watch. Like, you can reduce the playback speed and watch. I'm just doing this because it's just a simple single crochet stitch. Now if you don't know how to make these basic stitches like single crochet or a slip knot, I have separate detailed videos for all of them, and I'll be linking all of them in the description box below, so please go check them out. Also, everything that I'm using in the video will be linked in the description box, so you can check that out as well. Okay, so we are almost done. Like, we have done quite a few stitches now, and I can show you how to attain that spiral look with these many. So I'm just going to stop making the single crochets, and now I'll show you. You just have to turn the whole thing like this. You see, this is how you attain that spiral look. It is as simple as that, and you can just adjust you can just adjust your stitches to make your spirals bigger or smaller. See, this is how you make the spiral. It is so simple. So it's just the whole cord. You just have to make single crochets and then roll it into spirals. And of course, this string of yarn, you just have to sew in the ends on both sides, and this is how you make the spiral. I have done a whole cord like that. This is how it looks.